Hey guys, this is Akshish Tech Tips, and in this video I'll be showing you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. So after enabling dark mode, you'll be able to see that the whole background of the Instagram has turned from white to black. So let's begin our video. Okay, so here you can see Instagram is currently in light mode. So to enable dark mode, first you have to go to your phone settings, then tap on the display option, and finally you have to turn on the dark mode option. Then you will notice that the whole UI of the phone has changed into black color. And when you open the Instagram app again, you will see that the background of the Instagram has changed into black color. Yeah, it's that easy. Enabling dark mode on apps helps in reducing eye strain in dark condition, and it also saves the battery life of your smartphone. Plus, it also looks more awesome than the white background. So hope you guys like this video. If yes, click the like button, and if you find this video helpful, a sub would be really great. You have to just click that red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in the next video, and finally, this is Akshish Tech Tips signing off.